we've had to pull the camera right back from this light box, just picking up a few pieces that are sitting to the side of it for this monstrous, great big platter. A wonderful, large, early English shape, not oval as you can see, rounded rectangle really, isn't it? Classic English shape. Made by Wedgwood from the Pearlware series. This is the pattern called Hollyhock, but the very early example of it in monochrome. It was produced for probably the next 70 to 80 years in a variety of different forms and pattern reference numbers by Wedgwood. And most of those were coloured, but to find this monochrome black and white version in such fine condition from such an early day is exceptional. 17.25 inches by 14 inches, substantial bit of pearlware, weighs a guesstimate just over 2 kilograms. I mean, you really do have to brace yourself to pick this thing up. It is a lovely piece. In fine condition, as you can see the glaze reflection on that, absolutely beautiful. And on the rear we've got Wedgwood Pearl Impress marks, and if I get this the right way up for you, you should be able to see in this banner mark here, Hollyhock as the pattern design. So early Wedgwood Pearl from the Pearlware from the Garden Flower series. It's got an N impressed here and an H, and there's also a sort of bluish triangular mark. We've researched that and we don't think there of any relevance in terms of dating this particular piece. I think they are batch or lot numbers internally used by Wedgwood, the meanings of which have been lost in the passage of time. But you can see from the base of this piece it's in really fine condition. Kiln support marks 1, 2, 3 where it's been fired. The base plate is all glazed. Patterner's absolutely right for what you'd expect for a piece from 1840s through to around 1860s, and it's a glorious, great big thing. Really impressive against this dark background on a dresser. This just pops, particularly in the illuminated artificial lights for evening time. I just love this thing. It's just so beautifully etched, the detail in it, and then a little bit of border design just with these fleurs just coming in from this really quite rustic appearing border. Fantastic piece of early Wedgwood Pearlware Hollyhock pattern, 1840s to 1850s. Substantially heavy piece, and it's going to take quite a bit of delivering safely to you, but that's what we specialise in, getting these pieces delivered internationally in the condition you see them here today. Thanks for watching.